Hi investor, this is Simon, your real estate agent from MegaWorld. And in this video, I'm gonna show you and give you a tour on our showroom of our pre-selling project na Uptown Modern. So if you're gonna search it in maps, it is Uptown Experience Gallery and it's along 11th Avenue. So tara, pasok tayo. So we have two access kapag papasok kayo dito sa may showroom. So you also have an access sa Uptown Mall. So kapag nasa may Uptown Mall kayo, you have an access papunta sa showroom. Malapit to sa may H&M tsaka Daykeys Donut. So if you have time, kapag nagpapasyal kayo sa may Uptown Mall, you can pass by in our showroom. So this part is the reception area. And then dito naman is the scale model. So this is the scale model of our pre-selling project. It's called Uptown Modern. So on this area, meron tayong waiting area. So if you have a big family, you can invite your children here. And then on this part, meron tayong mga negotiation table. We can discuss the computation, the price here. So if you notice, we also have a Philippine map here. So andito nakalagay yung mga township ng MegaWorld. So as of today, we have 37 townships all across the Philippines. And then on this part naman, this is the BGC. And then this is the vicinity map of the township. So si MegaWorld is known for pioneer building township here in the Philippines. The name of the township inside BGC is Uptown Bonifacio. It's a 15.4 hectare township owned and controlled by MegaWorld. So we have a live, work, play, and learn concept. Inside the township, we have residence, offices, and mga malls and international schools. So this is the scale model of our pre-selling project, Uptown Modern. So it's the tallest residential condo here in Uptown Bonifacio. It's a 54-story building. And we have a basement parking and this is your ground floor. Sa ground floor, usually nilalagay ni MegaWorld is mga restaurants and cafe. So if maglalakad kayo dito sa may Uptown Bonifacio, you'll see Wildflower, Landers, and Wolfgang Premium Steakhouse. So dito ganun din. And then on this part, yung nakikita nyo, that's podium parking. And this one is the amenities. So we have two sides on the amenities. Here are the pools. And then sa kabila, that's dry amenities. We also have Sky Gardens, yung mga nakita nyo dito, on 14th floor, 27th, and 39th floor. And Roof Gardens on 39th floor and 47th floor. So let's check the model units. Here in our showroom, we have two model units for a studio and one bedroom. So it's a gallery experience. So we have our amenities here. So we have entertainment suite that you can reserve if you have big events. And we also have fitness gym. Here are the pool decks and sky lounge. But Uptown Modern has the most amenities here in Uptown Bonifacio. So we have more than 20 amenities in the building. So let's start first with the studio unit. This is the one bedroom and this is the studio. So this studio unit is 39 square meter. So we have different unit layout up to 48.5 square meter. So this is gonna be your entrance and in the future, it's gonna be a digital lock set. So 3 ways access, so key card, fingerprint, and then code. So wood finish din yung door. And then on the right side, you have 2-in-1 washer and dryer. So that's included. Kasama na rin yan. And yung mga switches natin is smart switches na rin, not your typical switches. And on this side, this is your kitchen area. So it's already furnished. And the appliances that we use is by Goren Hay. So the countertop is very nice. It's quartz. And the faucet and sink is retractable. This is by Frankie. You also have cabinets, soft close cabinets, and drawers. And yung mga kasama, you have 2-burner cooktop, built-in microwave, and then range hood. Tapos meron din tayong kasamang built-in refrigerator. Then on this side is the bathroom. Sobrang luwag, very spacious. And if you notice, the sink is big. So usually, mga kalahati lang siya. So this one is malaki. So even this mirror is kasama na rin. Toilet. And then on this part, this is your shower set. So kasama na rin siya. Even this full shower glass enclosure. Pati yung mga tiles, ganun na rin. So hindi nyo na kailangan ipa-furnish ulit. And then let's check the common area. So sobrang luwag ng common area. You have your sofa here. And on this model unit, we put a 2-seater dining table. And yung mga kasama is split type aircon. So that's by Daikin. And we have modular closet. On this part, meron lang tayong partition. But this is your bedroom. So it's a queen size bed. And we have floor to ceiling glass. para maganda yung pasok ng araw. We also have a unit layout na merong balcony if you want a balcony. And then this is your modular closet. So sliding door and full-length mirror panel. So that's the studio unit. Now let's check the one bedroom. So this one bedroom model unit is 57 square meter. So again, we have different unit layout. Our biggest is 83 square meter. So for now, check natin tong 57 square meter. This is your entrance, digital lock set. And then this one has a foyer. So kasama din yan. And then on your right side, this is your extra room. So you can convert it to a pantry, utility room, and it has a own toilet and bathroom. So kasama rin to. And then on your left side, this is gonna be your kitchen area. And ang maganda dito, it's an open layout. So imagine you have your family there and na nagpe-prepare ka ng meal, you can accommodate them. And ang mga kasama, so quartz countertop, and faucet and sink, retractable burner cooktop, built-in microwave, range hood, and then this is your refrigerator. Yan. Now let's check your living area. So maluwag na living area. So this is your sofa, and then you can put your TV here, and then one split type aircon on the living area and one split type aircon on the bedroom. So this one is maluwag na living area, 4-seater dining table. And then you have floor-to-ceiling glass window. So, meron din tayong balcony. Now, let's check the toilet. So, it has a two-way access. So, one in the living area and one on the bedroom. So, everything you see here is included. Again, the faucet and sink, the mirror. Now, let's check the bedroom. This is your bedroom. And, maluwag ang bedroom, you also have a floor-to-ceiling glass. So, we have a layout na one bedroom if you want a balcony inside your bedroom. And for payment terms, if you're interested, we offer a no down payment promo. So this is 6 years to pay at 0% interest. And of course, our biggest discount is for cash term. So if you can accommodate, you can have a 15% discount. So if you're interested for a full breakdown computation, you can send a message on my number, on my WhatsApp and Viber. And also you can scan this QR code so you can reach out on my Facebook and Instagram. Again, this is Simon, your property specialist from Mega World, and see you on the next one.